How to download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now, let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your YouTube. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you've done both of those, you will simply need to choose a video. So tap on a video that you want to download. Now after you find the video, what you'll need to do is on the bottom side, you will see this slider. Now here you will find the download option. All you now need to do is tap on the download option and choose a quality. Now you will get two qualities for the free version, that is medium and low. Now simply tap on medium and tap on download. Now this video will start downloading, and as you can see, it has been downloaded. Now what you'll need to do is head back here to find the download. Tap on U on the bottom right. After you tap on that, if you scroll down, you will see the downloads option. Tap on downloads to find out the downloaded videos. And that is basically how you can download YouTube videos for free without premium. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.